Hey guys, I'm Mia
And I'm Kate.
and we're cousins.
Welcome back to our channel.
So today, this is what we're doing. This is the first episode officially of Vlogmas. Well, Vlogmas.
Vlogmas.
So what we are doing is a series on our channel about Christmas. You know? It's not all vlogs, but we're calling it Vlogmas because that's what everyone else calls it. So, yay. And today we are going to be doing Christmas DIY decoration. So, who's ready? Me. I'm ready. Then let's go.
Bye.
So the first thing that you're going to need is a pillowcase that you don't really care about, your family doesn't care about, and you've asked permission to use it. Okay, the second thing that you're going to need is markers. And also, you need to make sure that your family lets you use this on the pillowcase. Okay, so let's begin. So we're going to be drawing like a freshly fallen, like a fallen snow with a Christmas tree. And we're going to draw, okay, so let's begin. Okay, so here is our lonely Christmas tree, and we are about to give it a couple of little friends so that it is not lonely anymore. Okay, so the little Christmas trees are finished, and we are now going to start drawing the snowflakes. So the pillowcase is finished. We have all of our trees and snowflakes, and we even decided to add a little star. So, how do you like it? So all you need are some straws. 6 straws, 3 of each color. We have 3 greens and 3 pinks since we don't have any reds. And we need some scissors. Okay, and we also need a cotton ball. So, let's get started. First, we're going to cut the bendy part off the straw since they have like a... And make sure you be careful since we're using scissors. Okay, now we're just going to take the cut straws and glue them onto the cotton ball with some Elmer's glue. Okay, so we're going to do a pattern that's going to go pink, green, pink, green, and all. Okay, now we're just going to glue this cotton ball on top so it doesn't look all weird. I'm just going to cut it off so it makes it a little bit shorter. And then it's done. Okay, now we're done. Woo! So, first thing that you'll need is a canvas. Boom. And then the next thing that you're going to need is markers. Boom, even more. So, let's begin. So, the first thing that you're going to do is kind of start drawing a little bit maybe of like a picture frame. Like, so draw an inner square in the middle of your canvas. And yeah, now I'm just gonna add some cute little snowflakes on the outside of just... So next I'm just gonna draw some circles. And then I'm gonna color this one in just with some pink. And so basically you're drawing some winter ornaments, and they look super cool. And if you don't want to draw ornaments, that's fine. Just use markers and draw what your brain wants you to draw, I guess. Okay, so I'm done drawing that. So now I'm just going to draw what the little ornaments are hanging off of. So all I'm just going to do is draw these little line. So this looks bad. I'm so sorry, but now I'm going to draw a background. Okay, now I'm finished, and I'm sorry that it looks terrible, but if you want to take your time, use some art skills, maybe do some painting instead of, non-painting, then do that. But, yeah, this is how mine turned out, and we probably will still be hanging it up, so yay! So, what we need is, we need 3 combos. Now we need 2 markers, one for the nose. I would recommend orange, and then one for the eyes and the mouth. And then we need a pipe cleaner for the scarf, and we need some glue. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first we're just gonna glue the cotton balls like so to make the snowman. Okay, so for this one, the little snowman here, we're gonna take an orange marker, well, preferably orange, to make the carrot nose. Okay, time for the eyes. Okay, the eyes and the mouth are there. It kind of looks like a dog now, but okay. Okay, so now we're just gonna use the pipe cleaner as a scarf. Here is little snowman. I hope you enjoyed that first episode of Vlogmas. It was really fun making these crafts, but even if some of them turned out horrible, they were good. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and we will see you next weekend for another fun video. Okay, so let me tell you one thing real quick. So if you find any of the crafts that we just did in the background of our Vlogmas videos, comment down below. And yay! Bye!